Hello my dear students, again I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. I hope you wrote the properties of division in your notebook. Now today we will discuss division by one digit and two digit divisor. Okay, how to divide? You know very well. In first, second, third, fourth, we deal with one digit, two digit divisor, right? This here three digit up to four digit divisor. Same is there. Nothing is changed. Only instead of two digit divisor, three digit divisor or four digit divisor it may be, right? So let's see. Today we will discuss. In this video we will discuss one digit divisor and two digit divisor. As we are aware about the one digit divisor, so many times I said tables are very important. Those whose tables are perfect, he or she will solve division fast. Understand? Let's see one digit divisor. Division by a one digit divisor. Division by a one digit divisor. Right. First we will see one digit, then two digit. Okay. Let's take one example, then your idea will be clear. 9,289 divided by 8 given. Okay. Now, how we are dividing? Right, 9,289 properly, write proper, divided by 8. Now we need 8 table. It is better, now you know 8 table, 18 table, 28 table. Suppose numbers are increased, divisor will be increased, then right side you can write down the table. It will be easy for you, right? If you are having problem, then you have to write the table at your right side with pencil. It will help you. Okay, right? And if you learn, then no problem. If you are having any problem, then you can write down. Right? Now see, this is a one digit divisor. We know that this is called divisor. This is dividend. Yesterday we saw in previous video. Whichever answer will come, we call it as a quotient. Downside unsolved division is there, we call it as a remainder, right? Now focus on divisor. Divisor is having how many digit? One digit. So in dividend focus on only one digit. भूल जाओ कि ये 2 8 9 है, only 8 9 divided by 8. Okay, now make sure divisor and dividend, the relation between divisor and dividend is equals to the divisor or less than to the divisor. Understand? इससे ये बराबर चाहिए या छोटा चाहिए. Got it? Now 9 is greater than 8. Yes. So in 8 7 9 is there? No. 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, but it's a big 16 is bigger than 9. So 8 1 is 8. We are doing like this now. 9 minus 8 1. Now 1 is less than 8. We need this dividend should be greater than divisor. But we have numbers here. Again digits are there. So put these two down, next digit down. Now 1 to 12. Obviously 12 is greater than 8. So dividend is greater than divisor. So in 8, 7, 12 is there? No, 16 is there. So 8 ones are, again 8 ones are 8. Subtract, make sure one space down, one space here. 2 minus 8 possible? No. What we are doing? We are borrowing from neighbor. This 1 becomes 0 and this 2 become 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. And here 0. Now again 4 is less than 8. So we have digits remain. Put the 8 down. Now 48. Yes, 48 is bigger than 8. Now in 8's table, 48 is there. Check. 8 2s are 8, 3s are 8, 4s are 8, 5s are 8, 6s are 8, 6s are 8, 6s are 48. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Then we have 9. Put the 9 down. Now, again 9 is greater than 8. Again 8 ones are 9 minus 8, 1. So this is the one is the remainder. This is called remainder. This is called quotient. So, how to write answer? Last answer. Last here no place. I will write here. Therefore, 9289 divided by 8 is equal to 1161. This is a quotient. You can write here quotient also. Or the remainder r is equal to 1. Understand? This is one digit with the help of one digit divisor. How we are dividing? Got it? Any problem? We will see another example of this. Okay. I will solve here. I will write here another example. Again, your ideas will be clear. I will keep as it is. Example 2. 245 divided by 7. One digit divisor. Now, say write dividend inside 245 divisor 7. Now, if you want, you can write 7 table here. This is the table. Now, focus on what I said. First rule, check whether the divisor is having how many digits. Divisor is having one digit, so focus on only one digit. भूल जाओ 4 and 5 है. 2 here 7, which is greater? 7 obviously. We can't subtract 7 from 2. So what we are doing? In such a cases, we will have to add again one digit. Now focus on 24. Now 24 is greater than 7. So we can easily subtract. In 7th table 24 is there. No, 28 is there. But 28 is bigger than 24. Then 7 3s are 21. So 7 3s are 21. 4 minus 1 3. 2 minus 2 0. This 5 down. Now 35. Why we took 5 out? Because 3 is less than 7. So if digits are there, we are putting it down. Now in 7 7 35 is there? Yes. 7 5s are 35. So 7 5s are 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 3 0. The quotient is 35, remainder 0. Understand? I hope you understand how to divide by one digit divisor. Now we will see how to divide by two digit divisor. You know how to divide by two digit also because last year it was, right? By two digit divisor. Let's take an example. Your idea will be clear. 8230 divided by 16. Right, this is two digit divisor. Now divide 8230 divided by 16. Now first rule of division, focus on divisor. Check divisor is having how many digit divisor. So two digit divisor, so focus on dividends two digit only. भूल जाओ कि ये 30 है, only 82 पे focus करो. So in 16 table you can write 16 table if you want. Okay. Now in 16th table 82 is there? No. 80 is there and then 96. So 96 is greater than 82. So we need 80. 80 is less than 82. So 16 how's are 80? 16 5s are 80. 2 minus 0 2. 8 minus 8 0. Now 2 is less than 16, so put one digit down. 23 is greater than 16, easily subtract. So in 16th table 23 is there, 16 1 the 16, 16 2 the 32 is there. Means 32 is greater than 23, so 16 1 the 16. Possible? No. Borrow from neighbor. 2 become 1, 3 become 13, 13 minus 6 7. 1 minus 1 0. Now what is remain? 0 is there. Put the 0 digit down. Now 70. 70 is in 16th table. No. 80 is there. 64 is there. 80 is greater than 70. So before number 64. So 16 how's are 64? 16 4s are 64. Subtract 0 minus 4 possible? No. Borrow from 6, 7, 7 becomes 6. This 1 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 6, 6 minus 6 0. Or else you can do easily orally 70 minus 64. 64 में कितने मिलाएंगे तो 70 होता 6. You can write directly 6. Understand? So what is the quotient? Quotient is 514. Remainder is 6. Understand how to solve with 2 digit, 1 digit and 2 digits divisor. Understand? In next video we will see division by 3rd digit divisor and division by 4th digit divisor. Okay? You can practice 1 digit and 2 digit divisor, therefore 2 digit divisor at least 10 or 2 2 3 3 every day you have to solve division problems. Okay? Till then, thank you.